Working as a female in the hair replacement industry has been challenging, as a lot of men don't really actually want to speak to women pertaining to their hair loss situations. So it has been difficult to try to get myself into the industry and be taken seriously, as I'm not a man with hair loss. But working at Superhairpieces, it has been a completely different environment. Everybody here is so very friendly. The customers are very welcoming to any information you can give them, whether you're a man or a woman. So it has been a great experience overall.
Working at a diverse and multicultural office like Superhairpieces has been really great and honestly refreshing so far. I haven't even been here that long, but I've learned so much already just by being surrounded by people who come from so many different backgrounds and have so much knowledge that I could just never imagine.
I appreciate workplace diversity because I never felt the pressure of having to fit into a certain employee standard. Everyone here comes from various countries, cultures, and backgrounds, and that together makes me feel like I can fully express myself without feeling left out.
I think Superhairpieces hiring anyone, regardless of their background or who they are, is great, but also really important.
I applied to Superhairpieces and I got a response pretty quickly, so it was nice that they quickly saw my ability, and within no time I was working in the office.
I really like to work in Superhairpieces.
It's so nice to work at a company where the only thing that matters is how talented you are, not where you're from or how you identify yourself.
It's good because you get to work with different people from different countries. So I am happy to have the opportunity to work at a Superhairpieces and be trusted in my ability and knowledge.
I am very grateful to work at Superhairpieces because it helps us to develop ourselves and our career development, and also the management is really willing to give us more opportunity to work with more projects and give us more chance to work with other teams.
I feel working at Superhairpieces is like a safe space. You will not be judged by your origin or gender, but instead being recognized for your talent and proactivity.
It's very nice, and I feel not alienated or like different from others, and having the need to constantly fit in is not there, So I really believe it's one thing I really like about working here.
Diversity is very important in the workplace. It's impossible to have a business that's able to meet the needs of the public without representing that public within your workforce. And I think that in companies that aren't able to do that, you really see the issues start to shine through. And I think that we're able to avoid those issues because of the diverse workforce that we've got here.